Hello dear subscribers. I have several hints and suggestions for iPad that will help you use it with a maximum efficiency. To change the app sequence on the main screen, tap and hold onto the icon until the additional menu appears. Then click the Edit Main Screen button. Apps icons will start shaking, showing they can be moved around. Move the app to the corner of the screen to place it on the other page. A new page will be created if you move it to the corner again. App removal is as easy. Just click the minus button in the top left corner of the app's icon. Two variants will be suggested. Remove app. An app and all the related content are removed from your iPad, freeing up some storage space. Remove from the main screen. This option hides an app from the main screen but saves access to it via the app library at the end of the main screen. Swipe your finger to the right to get access to the library of apps, where you will find the list of installed applications, including the ones hidden from the main screen. That is especially helpful for hiding confidential installs, such as financial or personal apps, while maintaining accessibility. Widgets enable the convenient display of information on an iPad. On the main screen, I have positioned weather and music widgets. To introduce a new widget, press and hold any app or widget, then choose Edit Homescreen. Tap the plus sign at the top of the screen to explore the assortment of available widgets. Select a widget, like the battery widget, and choose its size. While larger widgets offer more information, they also occupy more space on the main screen. Widgets can be moved freely, similar to apps. Should you wish to group several widgets of the same size without consuming excessive space, you have the option to stack them. Simply drag one widget onto another to form a stack. It is possible to manually switch between widgets in the stack or even to set their display for specific times, thus providing functionality without requiring additional screen space. You can utilize Spotlight for quicker navigation. Swipe down from the center of the main screen, and the Spotlight search panel will appear at the top. This feature enables you to search for any app name, file, or even conduct an internet search directly from Spotlight. For instance, you can input any mathematical equation, like 287 minus 74, directly into Spotlight and immediately receive the result. Similarly, for converting measurements, simply enter a query such as 100 inches, and Spotlight will show the equivalent in centimeters. Spotlight removes the necessity for separate apps or opening Safari, streamlining your workflow and making it more seamless. Now let's delve into two of my favorite tips for the Apple Pencil. Firstly, capturing a screenshot is remarkably convenient. Simply swipe up from the bottom left corner of the screen with the pencil. This functionality allows for effortless capture of everything displayed on the iPad screen. Secondly, opening a new note from the lock screen with the Apple Pencil is incredibly straightforward. By merely tapping the screen with the pencil, you can instantly open a blank note. This feature is exceptionally handy for taking notes swiftly. It's crucial to understand that although you can access and use the note, your iPad remains securely locked. One of my favorite system-wide gestures that enhances both the speed and enjoyment of using an iPad is the three-finger tap. This gesture swiftly summons the cut, copy, and paste menu. Additionally, pinching in with 3 fingers copies text or an image, while spreading 3 fingers apart pastes the copied content into applications such as notes, emails, or any other text field. Another invaluable gesture is swiping left with 3 fingers to undo an action. Conversely, swiping right with 3 fingers redoes an action. This capability is transformative, particularly for individuals like myself who frequently err. Moreover, swiping up from the bottom left corner of the screen enables screenshot capture, which is highly convenient. Should you wish to customize these gestures, navigating to Settings to adjust them as preferred is an option. For multitasking on the iPad, split view is a popular choice, but it isn't the only method available. Slide Over offers an alternative. Here's how to use it. First, launch an app, for example, Music. Then, tap the 3-dot menu and choose Slide. The app will appear on the right side of the screen. Next, open a second app, such as a Pages document, which will open in the background. Slide Over mode displays apps differently compared to split view. In Slide Over, one app overlays on top of another, with the background app receiving more screen space. For instance, while the Pages app remains in the background, the Music app appears in a mini view, roughly the size of an iPhone. You can reposition the Slide Over app by using the 3-dot menu and can even push it entirely off the screen. This feature is useful for concentrating on the background app, like entering text in a Pages document. To quickly revisit the SlideOver app, swipe in from the right side of the screen. This action opens a small app viewer, facilitating swift interactions with the app, such as changing a song, while you continue working in the background app, like composing a dissertation. SlideOver introduces an additional multitasking method on your iPad, providing convenient access to another app while focusing on the primary app. To close the SlideOver app, tap the three-dot menu and select the Close option. This action exits the app, leaving you in background mode. Swipe up to return to the home screen. Here are a few keyboard tips. Instead of switching to the numeric keypad, you can swipe down on the letters that have numbers or symbols above them. For instance, by swiping down on the letter E, you will enter the number 3. Similarly, swiping down on the letter F will produce the symbol AND. If you need just the letter F, simply tap on it. Moreover, you can facilitate one-handed typing by pinching the keyboard to activate a smaller floating keyboard. This keyboard can be repositioned to a more convenient location using the bottom bar. Additionally, you have the option to swipe across the screen to type, enabling you to quickly form words with one hand. To revert to the full-size keyboard, just spread your fingers apart. If you're keen on discovering more ways to enhance your work with the iPad, I encourage you to explore one of these videos. You'll uncover the top third-party apps designed to boost both productivity and creativity. Don't forget to subscribe to receive further insights on great ideas, tools, and technologies poised to enrich your life. I welcome you to share in the comments any tips you favor that weren't mentioned here. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.